The next question is the car driving question. And remember that distance is equal to rate times time. It's assumed that you are familiar with that calculation. Okay, and so if it took this person 4 hours to drive from one spot to the other, okay, so the time is 4 hours, okay, and it says coming back the other direction. So going there is 4 hours. On the way back, it took, so time two was 4.93 hours. Okay, and it says that the speed coming back on Sunday was 10 miles per hour slower. So here, the rate is some value R, and compared to that, the rate on the way back is R minus 10. Okay, so we'll use those pieces of information and the fact that the distance in each case is exactly the same. Both of them have the same distance. So when you are calculating this, you know that rate times time, so 4R in the Saturday instance is equivalent to the rate times time of the second, which is R minus 10 times the 4.93. So here is the equation that we're going to solve in order to find our answer here. So if we go through, distribute our 4.93, we just move our decimal over one, and then we can move everything to one side. So I'm going to subtract 4R from both sides. That gives me 0.93R. I'm going to add the 49.3 to both sides. And when I divide by 0.93, that gives me my rate. Now, this rate is for which day? This rate is, here's Saturday, here's Sunday. So this is the Saturday rate, right? This is my R value. So if the question asks me what was her speed on Saturday, I'm going to calculate with this. So 49.3 divided by 0.93, her rate was 53.01 miles per hour. So that is her rate on Saturday. Now, here's the thing with this question. This question might have written, what's her speed on Sunday? You have to read this question really carefully. Okay? Because if you get the question, the version where it says, what's her speed on Sunday? What you have to do is take this rate and do what with it? Subtract, in this case, 10. So her speed on this day would be 43.01 miles per hour. And so just read it very carefully. Okay. Again, if you happen to get the version that says Saturday on a quiz, you're probably lucky if you're not careful because you'll get it right. If you get Sunday and you're not careful, you're going to get it wrong. And so be careful on your questions. It might not be the same as the other people in your group.